Vanessa Marlowe. About a month ago, I moved in with my boyfriend, Tom. Tom snores. I'm a light sleeper. The two cancel each other out. You know, I've heard that in times of war, they use sleep deprivation as a form of torture. And I can totally relate to this because I feel tortured. I feel like I'm going insane. If I don't get some sleep, I will go off the deep end. I'm sleeping next to the Animal Planet. Tom sounds like an elephant seal. Like, or sometimes even a hog. Added to that, he talks in his sleep. Not that I understand what he's saying, it's usually mumbling. It sounds angry too, but at least if it were something I could understand, then it might be interesting. But last night, I thought there was an earthquake. I woke up and it was Tom shaking. He twitches in his sleep too. Maybe I should just go down to the petting zoo and get a hog to replace myself. If I don't get some sleep, I'm really going to be angry.